Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're diving into the future of independent living, off-grid modular house designs. These aren't your grandpa's tiny cabins. These are high-tech, stunning architectural retreats that generate their own power, capture their own water, and leave a minimal footprint on the planet. We've compiled the top 10 best off-grid modular house designs, from sleek glass boxes to rugged mountain fortresses. Get ready for a massive dose of inspiration, because true freedom starts here. The phrase off-grid modular house design fuses two powerful concepts. Modular housing refers to a home built in sections, modules, in a factory setting and then transported and assembled on the final site. This process ensures better quality control, faster construction, and less on-site waste. Off-grid means the home is entirely self-sufficient, operating independently from municipal utilities. This typically involves using solar panels or wind turbines for electricity, rainwater harvesting or wells for water, and septic or composting systems for waste management. Therefore, an off-grid modular house design is a factory-built, highly efficient, and sustainable structure designed to function autonomously in any environment, combining architectural sophistication with complete independence. The choice to build an off-grid modular home delivers profound, triple-layered benefits. Firstly, the financial advantage is immense. Eliminating monthly utility bills for electricity, water, and gas creates long-term, predictable savings that recoup the initial investment in sustainability features over time. Secondly, there's the unparalleled freedom of location. Since you don't need to connect to costly infrastructure, you are free to build your dream home on remote, scenic, and unconventional land that would otherwise be impractical or too expensive to develop. Finally, the environmental impact is drastically reduced, as these homes are inherently designed for superior energy efficiency, minimal site disturbance during construction, and the responsible, self-contained management of natural resources. Decorating an off-grid modular exterior should focus on enhancing its modern, efficient identity while integrating it into the environment. Start by embracing the mixed material, contemporary aesthetic that often defines modular construction. Think contrasting dark metal cladding with warm wood paneling, like cedar or teak, on soffits and accents. To maintain the clean lines, opt for recessed LED strip lighting tucked neatly under eaves and decks, which provides illumination without visually cluttering the facade. Crucially, integrate your sustainability hardware as design elements. Sleek, low-profile black solar panels and subtly concealed rainwater tanks, like those clad in matching metal or wood, should look intentional, not tacked on. This approach transforms efficiency into an architectural feature. Top 10 Best Off-Grid Modular House Designs. (1) The Forest Glass Pavilion. This modular design is a beautiful example of a minimalist glass box. The structure is defined by a low, sprawling profile with a striking flat roof featuring a deep black fascia and warm wood soffits. The walls are almost entirely composed of floor-to-ceiling black-framed glass sliding doors, creating an immersive connection with the forest environment. The house sits on a clean, simple concrete pad that extends into a patio, featuring a modern, rusted metal fire pit, perfectly blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. 2. The Lakeside Minimalist Retreat. This design is a sophisticated, single-story modular home set against a lake view. It features a dark, nearly monolithic exterior of metal or black-stained wood cladding and a broad, flat roof with a deep overhang. The main living area is a clean glass box, framed in black, opening onto an expansive wood and concrete deck. The design includes a subtle, dark utility enclosure, possibly a water or battery storage area, that is perfectly integrated into the main volume, emphasizing its sleek, self-sufficient nature. 3. The Brick Screen Sanctuary. This unique design stands out by utilizing an unexpected material, dark, gray-black brick. The modular structure is defined by its dramatic perforated brick screen wall, which offers privacy and texture while hinting at the light inside. It features a clean, flat roof with a generous overhang, exposing a warm wood soffit above a simple concrete patio. The use of the open brickwork as a primary design element is a sophisticated, modern nod to thermal mass and passive cooling, essential for off-grid efficiency. 4. The corrugated steel ranch. A fantastic example of industrial modular design, this home features a long, low-slung, and linear profile, clad entirely in dark, corrugated metal siding. The structure is composed of at least 2 connected modules, giving it an efficient boxy shape. It sits on a simple foundation with a large wood deck extension where the main sliding doors open. The metal cladding is highly durable and low maintenance, perfectly suited for remote, off-grid locations exposed to the elements. 5. The L-shaped forest cabin. This mid-century modern-inspired modular home consists of multiple rectangular volumes joined to form an L shape, effectively wrapping around a central deck area. The exterior features warm, rich horizontal wood plank siding contrasting with the dark trim and low-slung roof. The layout maximizes natural light with numerous glass doors and windows, and the dark metal components hint at integrated sustainability technology, possibly a solar roof, seamlessly blending modular efficiency with a high-end architectural finish. 6. The vertical wood hideaway. This 2-story modular home showcases a high degree of complexity and luxury, typical of high-end mountain modern modular design. It features multiple stacked and staggered rectangular volumes, clad in a mix of warm horizontal wood paneling and textured stacked stone veneer on the lower level. Expansive, dark-framed windows and multiple glass-railed balconies maximize light and views. The flat and shed roof lines and the overall geometric complexity confirm its prefabricated, modular construction while achieving a dynamic, custom aesthetic. 7. The hypermodern A-frame. This is a distinctly unique modular design, taking the classic A-frame and giving it a dynamic, asymmetrical twist. The structure is defined by exposed heavy timber framing and a steeply sloped, dark metal roof that extends to create a covered deck area. The use of large, simple glass panels and wood plank flooring emphasizes the home's contemporary feel. The sculptural nature of the exposed wood structure and the integration of a deck make it a dramatic, self-contained retreat. 8. The stacked black and wood box. This striking, multi-level home exemplifies modern modular architecture with its bold, intersecting rectangular modules. The primary materials are sleek matte black metal cladding and warm horizontal wood siding used prominently on the recessed sections and soffits. The design incorporates 2 levels of deck/balcony space with slender black railings, creating shaded outdoor living areas. The clean lines and sharp, contrasting material palette suggest a highly efficient, minimalist structure ideal for remote living. 9. The tiny home living module. This design is a highly efficient tiny modular home that is ready for off-grid connection. The main volume is a simple, rectangular box clad in dark, vertical metal siding. The highlight is the covered outdoor living room extending from the module, framed by warm wood and a protective glass wall, seamlessly integrating the indoor and outdoor spaces. The home is elevated slightly on supports, suggesting minimal site disturbance, and the presence of roof clear-story windows aids in passive ventilation and daylighting. 10. The ultimate modular A-frame cabin. This stunning rendering showcases a classic modular A-frame aesthetic, designed for efficient construction. The roof is a dramatic, steep pitch clad in matte black metal, contrasted by warm horizontal wood siding on the enclosed lower walls. The entire front gable end is fully glazed, maximizing passive solar gain and views. The structure is finished with a simple, slightly elevated deck with black railings, confirming its minimal footprint and perfect suitability as a prefabricated, off-grid escape. These 10 homes are proof that choosing a sustainable, independent lifestyle doesn't mean compromising on world-class design. Off-grid modular architecture is revolutionizing how we think about home ownership, offering a path to financial freedom, environmental responsibility, and stunning aesthetics, all wrapped up in a package that can be built faster and smarter than traditional construction. The future of housing is ready for you to embrace. Which of these incredible off-grid modular designs would you build for your ultimate escape? Tell us your favorite number in the comments below. If you're ready to start your journey to sustainable living, please like this video, subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studios for more inspiring home concepts, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive.